I'm always encouraged when the feedback, though, that we receive offers so many wonderful solutions or alternatives to the recipes as they are written,
Right.
when they receive them. The creativity and the insight that our home cooks use to make these recipes their own is inspiring. And gathering the component portions of these recipes from one to another for other uses delights all of us. Now that's a mouthful.
Yeah, our community of home cooks and even chefs is a wonderful place to be. If you are even remotely interested in cooking or learning to cook or just improving your home cooking skills, please consider joining our community. You can go to nowthat'samouthful.com, click on our home cooks page, and you'll find a very simple, easy form to fill out, and we'll welcome everyone. There's no skill set required. There's no special requirements. All you have to do is have an interest in cooking and sending us some feedback, because after all, it's the feedback that drives our episodes, our ideas, and gives us inspiration every season. And the coolest thing about that is our community is growing. We just welcomed recipe testers from Thailand and Australia.
Woohoo!
So, seeing people embrace what we're doing and what we're talking about worldwide really is satisfying to know that people care about what they're doing in their kitchens and they want to learn and they want to be able to share what they're doing and their experiences with everyone.